So here we are starting a fraction lesson. And fraction. Fractions having equal values are called equivalent fraction. जिस fractions का value equal होता है. Now only I told you 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8. If we multiply and if we divide, we are getting the same values. If we are dividing, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here every time we are getting same value, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay. So these fractions are the equal fraction. If we are dividing, that time also we are getting the, if we are multiplying, now only we see we are seeing the division. Now we will see the multiplication. 1 upon 2, then 2 upon 4 was there, and 4 upon 8. So 2 into 2 and 4 into 2, numerator and denominator having the same number. Okay, for as a multiplier, ये दोनों number same ही है. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, means these are the equivalent fraction. The fractions having equal values are called equivalent fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. Okay, if numerator is greater, if the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Numerator is suppose 9, denominator is 5. Then it is called the improper fraction. Okay. Okay. So we'll see the problem set. Problem set 17. Okay. Now, problem set 17. Write the proper number in the box. We are seeing the first example. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 equals to, here empty box is there and downside 20 is there. Okay. Now see, numerator here 1 is there, here empty box is there. We have to find out the proper number in this box. Here 2 is there and denominator here 20 is there. How 20 will come? After dividing or after multiplying? When we are dividing, that time we are getting the smaller number. When we are multiplying, that time we are getting the bigger number. Correct ना? Multiply करने के बाद ही हमें बड़ा number मिलता है. So here bigger number is there. Means here which process takes place? Multiplication. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ होगा? Multiplication. Okay ना? Correct? So by which number if we multiply this 2, then we are getting 20. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिससे हम अगर 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें मिलने वाला है 20. Which number is there? Which number we will use to multiply 2 so that we can get the answer 20? So here so many students are giving answer 10. Correct. 10. So 2 students stop typing. Stop typing. Stop typing. Thank you very much. So 2 tens are 20. So if we are multiplying this 2 by 10, then in the numerator also we are using the same number 10. तो हम लोग numerator में भी same number use करने वाले हैं. We can't change the number in the denominator different and in numerator different. If we are multiplying by 10 in the denominator, we'll use same number in the numerator also. So 1 tens are 10. So what answer will come in the box? 10. What answer will come in the box? 10. Okay. Now we'll see the fourth example. 10 upon 40 equals to empty box upon 8. See, as I told you, if we multiply, we are getting the bigger number in the denominator. If we numerator or denominator, and if we divide, then we are getting the smaller number. Okay, so here 10 is there and 10 upon 40 is there, and here empty box upon 8 is there. So 8 is smaller than 40, means here division takes place. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Division हुआ. So we have to find out the table in which 8 and 40 is coming. 8 and 40 ये दोनों नंबर जिस टेबल में आते हैं, हमें वो नंबर ढूंढना है. Otherwise, find out the table in which 40 is coming at 8th place. Simple अगर तरीका है, हमें simple method यूज करना है, तो what will do? हम क्या करेंगे? देखो, here 8 is there in the denominator, correct? In the denominator 8 is there. Okay, in the denominator 8 is there, and here 40 is there. Here 40 is there. So we have to find out the table in which 40 is coming at 8th place. 40 is coming at the 8th place. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है, कौन सा टेबल है जिसमें 40 आता है 8th place पे? I hope everyone know the tables. For fractions, we should know the tables. Okay, we should know the tables. So can you tell me, four times table is there? 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. So in 4 times table 40 is not coming. 4 10s are 40 is there, but we want at the 8th place. Okay, so what we'll say? We'll say 5 times table. So 5 6 5s are 40, correct? 5 8s are 40. Will you stop typing for 2 minutes? Akanksha, we don't need multiplication. Okay, we will not multiply because here number is smaller, so we'll do the division. Here we'll do the division. So okay, so in 5 times table 40 is coming at 8th place. So what will divide this 40? By which number we are dividing? 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. If we divide this 40, okay, if we divide this 40 by 5, that time we are getting 8. 5 8s are 40. So here 8 comes, correct? So if we are dividing by 5 in the denominator, that same number we are using in the numerator also. So 5, now say the 5 times table, at which place this 10 is coming? Tell me. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So what will come? 2 will come, no? 2 will come, no? अगर 5 का टेबल हम लोग बोलते हैं तो 5 8s are 40 होता है. So here 8 is there. Okay. And if we say 5 times table till the 10, so 5 2s are 10. So 2 will come na in the box. Yes or no? So 10 upon 40 and 2 upon 8 are the equivalent fraction. Okay. Now we'll see the next example, 6th one. Empty box upon 3 equals to 4 upon 6. Here see, 3 is there and here 6 is there. The number is bigger, means what we'll do here? Multiplication. हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करने वाले हैं? Multiplication. Okay. Okay. So by which number if you multiply by which number if you multiply 3, that time you are getting answer 6. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिससे आप 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, दैट टाइम यू आर गेटिंग 6 इन द डिनोमिनेटर. करेक्ट. Prathi is the first one to tell the answer. 2. 3 twos are 6 we are getting over here. Correct, no? 3 twos are 6. So यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होना चाहिए? If you multiply that number by 2, that time we are getting 4 over here. क्या होना चाहिए? 6. Arnav is saying 6. So 6 to the 12 आएगा बेटा यहाँ पे. Here 12 is there in the numerator. No, 4 is there. So which number we will take to multiply this 2? So that we can get here 4. 2 na? 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Otherwise simple. What we'll do? This is the first method to multiply. Now I'll tell you the second method. Okay. Now see. Empty box upon 3 and 4 upon 6. Now, in which table this 4 and 6 comes? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Already 3 is there. So what will come in the box? 2. That's what we need. 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 6 both are the equivalent fraction. Okay. I hope everyone understood this question. Everyone understood? So we'll move forward. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2. Now, students, please check. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. See, student, here some fractions are given. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, 2 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 5 upon 3. Here some fractions are given. We have to find out equivalent fraction. इन फ्रैक्शन के लिए हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ढूंढना है. बट हाउ? द डिनोमिनेटर इज 18 ऑफ दैट फ्रैक्शन. इट इज कंपल्सरी. We have to find out the fraction, equivalent fraction of this fraction, but in that fraction we need this denominator 18. हमें फ्रैक्शन ढूंढना है, लेकिन वो फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर हमें क्या रखना है? कंपल्सरी 18, because it is given in the question. Because it is given in the question. Okay. Okay. So we'll see the first one. First fraction is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Okay. And we need denominator 18 compulsory. This 1 upon 2. For this 1 upon 2, we need the equivalent fraction with the denominator 18. हमें ये 1 upon 2 फ्रैक्शन के लिए इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ढूंढना है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर हमें क्या चाहिए? 18. ओके. ओके. सो we'll write 1 upon 2. Sorry, one second. I'll rewrite it. Okay. So 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2. So by which number you will multiply these 2 so you can get 18 over here? कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 को so that you can get over here 18? You know, I hope you know the 2 times table. By which number you will multiply these 2 so you can get 18 over here in the denominator? Correct. So many students are giving correct answer. 9. 2 nines are 18. Correct. So we got the denominator 18 here. 2 nines are 18. Now see, student, if you are multiplying 9 in the denominator, that same number you are going to use in the numerator also. So 1 into 9 will come in the numerator. Okay. If you are multiplying in the denominator by 9, then you will multiply this by same number in the numerator also. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग ने 9 से ही मल्टीप्लाई किया है. सो 1 9 9. सो 1/2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन इज 9/18. 1/2 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 9/18. ओके, understood? Kuval is saying 9 is the denominator. No, Kuval, here 9 is numerator in the answer, but here is the multiplier. Okay, Kuval, 1/2 अगर हम लोगों ने लिया, so 1/2, and if we are multiplying this 2 by 9, so here 9 is the multiplier because we are multiplying this 9. Okay, so in the numerator also we are multiplying by 9 only. So 1 9s are 9 and 2 9s are 18. So here 9 is the numerator. Here 9 is the numerator. Okay, in the final answer 9 is the numerator. It is not denominator. Understood, Kuval? Now we'll see the fourth example. 2/9. 2/9. Again process is same. We'll write 2/9 and we want denominator 18. हमें denominator फिर से क्या चाहिए? 18. Now find out again the number by which if you multiply this 9 you are getting 18. फिर से ऐसा नंबर ढूंढो जिससे आप 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो. That time you are getting 18 over here. Say the 9 times table. 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. If you multiply 9 by 2, that time you are getting over here 18. 9 2s are 18. Correct? Means in the denominator you are multiplying by 2. In the numerator you will use the same number 2. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो न्यूमरेटर में भी सेम ही नंबर यूज करोगे. सो 2 2s are 4. So 2/9 and 4/18 are the equivalent fractions. Correct? Are an equivalent fractions. Okay, understood everyone? Understood? Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Last example I am taking from this question number 2. 5/, will you stop typing, students? 5/3. Okay, again we'll give the equal sign. 5/3 will write. Again multiplication sign. Now in the denominator what we want? 18. So again find out by which number you are multiplying 3. That time you are getting 18. So say the 3 times table. ऐसा नंबर ढूंढो कि जिससे आप 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो उससे आपको 18 मिलेगा. I hope everyone know the 3 times table. Correct? So many students are giving answer 6. So 3 6 are 18, and if you are multiplying by 6 in the denominator, in the numerator you are again using same number, that is 6 over here. Okay, students, please stop typing. Stop typing. 5 6 are 30 will come. Okay, 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18. So 5/3 and 30/18 are the equivalent fraction. Okay, understood? I hope everyone understood this. Okay, now we'll see the third question. Third is also the same one. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5. Find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 5. Okay, for each of the following fractions. Now again fractions are given. 6/15, 10/25, 12/30, 6/10, 21/35. Okay, हमें फिर से कुछ फ्रैक्शंस दिए. We have to find out the equivalent fraction with the denominator 5. Now we want the denominator 5. हमें अभी कौन सा डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए? 5. Okay, so we'll take the first one. 6 upon 15. 6 upon 15. Now we want denominator 5. Now denominator here small than 15. So what we'll do? We'll do the division. What we'll do? We'll do the division. Okay. Now again give the equal sign. 6 upon 15. We have to divide this. Okay, because our denominator is small. Our denominator is small. Now find out the number by which if you divide 15 you are getting 5. अभी ऐसा टेबल ढूंढो जिस टेबल में 15 फिफ्थ प्लेस पे आता होगा. You have to find out the number. You have to find out the table in which 15 is coming at the fifth place. 10 times table. 10 1 10 के टेबल में 15 आता है बेटा. You have to find out a table. Now say the 2 times table. 2 7 are 14. 15 is not coming. So say the 3 times table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. And 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Correct? तो हमें क्या चाहिए? फिफ्थ प्लेस पे 15 चाहिए. तो by which number will divide this 15? 3. 3 5s are 15. And if we are dividing this 15 by 3, in the numerator also you are dividing by 3 only. So 6 divided by 3, what will come? 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 3 कैसे आएगा बेटा? Simple division है ना? 6 and 3. So you have to say the 3 times table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the question here? 2, no? 2, na? So what will come? If we divide 6 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3, that time we are getting 2 upon 5 because 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So here we want denominator 5. Okay, that's why we have done the division over here. So 6 upon 15 and 2 upon 5 are the equivalent fractions. Okay, with the denominator 5. Okay, we'll see the third example. Okay, third example. 12 upon 30. Give the equal sign. Write the question. 12 upon 30. Give equal sign. 12 upon 30. We want denominator 5. We want denominator 5. Now, again we have to find out the table in which 30 is coming at the fifth place. हमें फिर से ऐसा टेबल ढूंढना है जिसमें 30 आता है fifth place पे. Why we are saying fifth place only? Because they have given denominator 5. Okay? उन्होंने हमें स्पेसिफिक बताया कि उन्हें डिनोमिनेटर 5 ही चाहिए. Okay? बेटा if we are taking 5 times table, so 5 6 are 30 आता है. 5 6 are 30. But we don't want denominator 6. We don't want denominator 6. What we want? Denominator 5. तो हमें ऐसा टेबल ढूंढना है जिसमें फिफ्थ प्लेस पे 30 आता होगा. Okay? So 6 5s are 30. We'll divide by 6. So 6 5s are 30. I hope everyone understood this division. 30 divided by 6. Okay, so 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So what will come over here? 5. That we want, denominator 5. Okay, and if we are dividing denominator by 6, that same number we are using in the numerator also. So 12 divided by 6. So 6 2s are 12. So what will come? 2 in the numerator. Again 12 upon 30 and 2 upon 5 are an equivalent fractions. Are an equivalent fractions. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? Okay, understood? If number is small, you will do the division, and if number is big, you will do the multiplication. Okay, okay. Now we'll see the third question. We'll see the third question. We have seen third question. Now we are going to see the fourth question. From the fraction given below, pair of the equivalent fraction. Some fractions are given over here. 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, 5 upon 11, 7 upon 9, like that, 10 upon 40. Some fractions are given. We have to find out the equivalent fraction. हमें उसका equivalent का pair ढूंढना है. Okay? Okay? So, we'll take first one, 2 upon 3. This is our first fraction we are taking. Now we have to find out the pair of this equivalent fraction. इस equivalent fraction का हमें pair इसमें से ही ढूंढना है. ये जो बचे fraction है, इसमें से ही हमें equivalent fraction का pair ढूंढना है. Okay. Now, students, see in 3 times table which number is coming? ये अगर हम लोग ने 2 upon 3 लिया है, हाँ, we are taking this first fraction. Now we have to find out in 3 times table which number is coming. 7 is coming, no. 11 is coming, no. 9 is coming. So we'll take 9. 7 upon 9. Okay. 14 upon 18. 18 आता है 3 के टेबल में. हाँ, coming, no? Then why this? You are taking time. 14 upon 18, our second fraction. Okay. 15 upon 33. Coming, but we are not taking because 33 into 11, then 31 will come. Then 18 upon 17. 18 upon 17. Okay. So 2 upon 3, 18 upon 27, 7 upon 9, and 14 upon 18. These are the fractions which are equivalent to 2 upon 3. But we have to take only one. अगर एक को ही हम लोग ने ये 4 यूज कर लिए, ठीक है, तो बाकी fractions को क्या मिलेगा? So we are taking only one fraction. Okay. But these 4 denominators are coming in the 3 times table. Correct? So, understood? So 2 upon 3. हमें फाइंड आउट करना है अभी इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन कौन कौन से होंगे. हम लोग ने ये देखा है 7 upon 9, 14 upon 18 and 18 upon 27. These 3 are there. Okay, so we are going to take only one out of these 3. Okay, now here 27 is there. 18, if we are taking 18 upon 27, so if we multiply by which number, if we multiply these 3, we are getting 27. अगर हम लोग ने ये नंबर लिया, ये फ्रैक्शन लिया 18 upon 27, if we are taking this 18 upon 27, so which number we will use to multiply this 3 so that we can get 27? Kimai is saying 3 into 7. 3 sevens are better 21. 21. What we want? 27. Say na 3 times table. In 3 times table, 27 is coming. 3 nines are 27. 3 into 9, we are getting 27. If we are multiplying 9 in the denominator, that same number we are going to use in the numerator also. Okay, in the numerator also. So 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Now see, ये हो गया इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. 2 upon 3 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हो गया 18 upon 27. Now why we have taken 18 upon 27 only? ये हम लोग ने ये क्यों नहीं लिया? Why we are not taken 7 upon 9? अभी देखो. मैंने आपको 3 निकाल के दिखाए थे, 9, 18 and 27. Why we are not taken 7 upon 9? Why we are not taken 6? 2 upon 3. हाँ, तो 3 को अगर हम लोग 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 3 3 जा 9, we are getting over here. We are getting over here 9. Correct? Correct. But same number we will use in the numerator also, 3. So 2 3 जा, यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए था? 6. But what is, which number is there? 7 in the numerator. तो ये इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा क्या? होगा ये? No. If 6 upon 9 or if there, then it is equivalent fraction to 2 upon 3. But यहाँ पे 7 upon 9 आया, तो ये इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन उसका नहीं होगा. ओके, करेक्ट? अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ हम लोग ने नंबर क्यों नहीं लिया 9 अपॉन 7 अपॉन 9? अब ये बताती हूँ, 14 अपॉन 18. आई सेड यू 14 अपॉन 18 ऑल्सो. करेक्ट? 2 अपॉन 3. यहाँ पे क्या नंबर था? 14 अपॉन 18. ठीक है, 3 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? दैट टाइम यू विल गेट 18. ओके, which number you will use to multiply these 3 so you can get 18? 3 6 18. So 18 is there, correct? But if you multiply by same number in the numerator, 2 6 तो यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए था? 2 6 12 आना चाहिए था. But 12 is there? No. 14 is there. 14 है, तो ये इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा क्या? नो. ये इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा? नो. That's why we have taken number 18 upon 27. 18 upon 27. Understood? Why we are not taken these two numbers, 7 upon 9, 18, 14 upon 18, and why we have choose only number 18 upon 27. समझ में आया? क्लियर हुआ? ये दोनों नंबर क्यों नहीं लिए और तीसरा फ्रैक्शन क्यों लिया हम लोग ने? ओके, नाउ विल सी द फोर्थ वन, 7 upon 2. We have to find out 7 upon 2's equivalent fraction from this given number. 7 upon 9, sorry, 7 upon 2 नहीं, 7 upon क्या आना चाहिए? 9. Okay, 7 upon 2 is not there, here 7 upon 9. So we have to find out the 7 upon 9's equivalent fraction. Now we have to find out the number which comes in 7 times table also and 9 times table also. So here 14 is there. 14 upon 18. 14 upon 18. So if 9 2s are 18. If we multiply 9 by 2, that time we are getting 18. But same number we will use in the numerator also. 7 2s are 14. So 14 upon 18 is the equivalent fraction for 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9 का equivalent fraction क्या आएगा अभी? 14 upon 18. Understood? Understood? Why we have not taken this? 7 upon 9 का equivalent fraction हम लोग ने 27 क्यों नहीं लिया? देखो 18 upon 27 is also there. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. ओके, तो हम लोग अगर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 9 को, 3 से अगर हम लोग ने मल्टीप्लाई किया 9 से, तो 9 को, that time we are getting 27. But that same number we will use in the numerator also, na? Correct, na? So 7 3 are 18 is coming. 7 3 are 21 is coming. But 21 is not here. So this is not the equivalent fraction. Okay? हमें सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर नहीं देखना है, हमें न्यूमरेटर भी देखना है, जिससे हम लोग अगर सेम मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें दोनों के आंसर सेम मिलने चाहिए. ऊपर का अलग नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, नीचे का अलग नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, वी आर नॉट डूइंग लाइक दिस. वी आर यूजिंग सेम डिवाइजर एंड सेम मल्टीप्लाई. डिवाइजर एंड सेम मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, समझ में आया? अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते तो दोनों जगह पे सेम नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इफ वी आर डूइंग डिवीजन, दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग द सेम divisor in the numerator and in the denominator also. That time only we are getting the equivalent fraction. तो ही हमें equivalent fraction समझ में मिलेगा. Okay, so understood this fourth question. Now we'll see the fifth question. Okay, okay, so
Teacher, teacher, you have muted yourself.
but here I am unmute, teacher. So see student, here we are multiplying by same multiplier. Okay, so 7/9 is there. We have to find out two equivalent fraction for each fraction. 3 fraction दिया and we have to find out two equivalent fraction for the given fraction. Okay, so 7 into 4 and 9 into 4. Because we are using same same multiplier in the both numerator and denominator. So 7 4s are 28 and 9 4s are 36. So 28 upon 36 is the first equivalent fraction for this 7/9. 7/9 का पहला वाला equivalent fraction कौन सा मिला हमें? 28/36. Now we'll see the second one. Okay, 7/9. So here we multiply by 4. Now here we multiply by 5. So 7 5s are 35 and 9 5s are 45. Okay, so 35/45 is also equivalent fraction for this 7/9. तो 7/9 के हमें कौन से दो equivalent fraction मिले? 28/36 and 35/45. Okay, you can take any number. Okay, आपको जो पसंद आए वो नंबर आप ले सकते हो. Understood student? Now we'll see the last one and third one. 3/11. 3/11. I hope everyone able to see this. 3/11. Again, you can take any number. Here 4 is taken. You can take 5, 6, 7, 2. Okay. So you can take any number. So 3/11 equals to 3 into 4 and 11/11 into 4. We are taken the same multiplier in the numerator also and in the denominator also. So 3 into 4 upon 11 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 11 4s are 44. Okay. So 3/11 का first equivalent fraction कौन सा मिला? 12/44. Now we'll see the second equivalent fraction. 3/11 equals to 3 into 5. Now we'll multiply by 5. So 3 into 5 upon 11 into 5 equals to 3 5s are 15. 11 5s are 55. So 15/55 is also equivalent fraction of this 3/11. 11. So we have got these two equivalent fraction for 3 upon 11. 3 upon 11 के लिए हमें दो equivalent fraction मिले. Which one they? 12 upon 44 and 15 upon 55. Okay. So here we finished our problem set 17. Okay.